here for real. Holy shit. Man, bro, this is sick. Like, in a bad way. Like, how do we have people living in logs, right? Just over there. And there's a perfectly good bench right here. Like, what the fuck, city? What's going on, bro? What's going on? Messed up. Messed up. In the middle of nowhere. Middle of nowhere. Don't look at that sign. The fuck? Not gonna lie, a little creepy, right? Decided to go in this trail. Weird stone pillars for some reason there. Anyways, you know, I'm just walking. And all of a sudden, I see a fucking weird ass tree. Yo, what happened? What did they do to you? Bruh, I got two paths. Two paths to go to. Which one should I go? I don't know if they just all, I feel like they just meet up, but go around, meet up that way. But I'm kind of curious if not. Otherwise, yeah, you know what? I'm going this way. Kept running. I kept going. I see these red things right here. These ribbons. Plastic, I don't fucking know. So, if I die, we know why. We know why. I mean, that could be a meaning of something cute or something very, very scary. So, yeah. So I kept on going. Bruh, someone living lavish in this fucking log house neighborhood. Phew. Oh, he got like some little tree sprout growing right there. They got a spot all to himself. Shit, what? Look kind of roomy. Look kind of roomy. There's a hut. A little fire. Wild. Right or left? Right or left? Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo! Got sick. Bro, I just saw the most adorable fucking bunny just went in there. I swear to God, if that bunny gets eaten, I'm gonna murder. Alright. So the barnyard's there. There's still some more woods over here. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, cute. Little stage. I think I'm in the bee house. Oh shit. Look at all them bees. It's just right there. Holy crap. Wild. Fine. I just kept on going, and I'm by a street. I have no idea where. I'm not really checking maps. I just keep walking. But yeah, I'm going that direction. See how it goes. Yeah, no, I definitely feel a little lost, but it's kind of worth it. I'm not gonna lie, this shit's kind of sick. Holy crap. It's fucking wild. It's probably like the best nature walk ever. Check it out. I swear, there comes that. Imagine a mountain lion. Anyways, What the fuck? Why? Why is there a pot? Oh no. Made it out. I made it out of the woods. That shit was crazy. And I'm close by home too. Shit. Just straight down the street.